Hello YouTube. So bad news, a barge leak didn't hold up for too long. I just finished fixing things up. Yesterday the car blew the radiator hose and leaked out everything, so can't put more than like 30 miles in the car so far, and that's what it is. Been making little trips with it, obviously I'm a little paranoid about it leaving me stranded, but yeah, it just didn't make it. It's too bad. I had high hopes that this stuff might give me like obviously at least a month or two, of drivability, but it is what it is. I just want to make a little follow-up on this so everybody knows what happened. But yeah, I'm gonna, I don't know, I might just top off the coolant now, get the new hose in, and just see if it will hold up, but I really doubt it, since obviously it overpressurized from exhaust getting in there. Also, I've been noticing that when the engine's hot, it's been blowing a lot more steam out the back. But yeah, it's what it is. Just want to make a follow-up video so everybody knows what happened, and there we go.